So I'm going to show you how to export tags from one container over to another container. This is helpful if you have a bunch of clients or you have a boilerplate of tags that you use for every client. So I'm going to show you how to export that container over to a different container. So first you're going to go into the container that you want to export. Super simple. You're going to go to admin, and then from admin you're going to go to export container and pick the workspace that you want to export. I'm going to do this one right here. We're going to click export, and then you'll see it download as a JSON file. And then you're going to go to your other account here, your other container that you want to import into, and you're going to do the same thing. Go to admin, go to import container. You're going to choose the file here, and then you can choose your workspace. We're going to do existing. We can choose the default one, and then you have the option to overwrite or merge. So if you have other tags in your container already, you can choose to merge and either overwrite with conflicting tags or just rename them. For this example, we're just going to overwrite everything because there's nothing in this test container that I made here. And then once you choose everything, click confirm. It's going to take a second, and it's going to populate all of those tags within the container. And you can see that now this is the same as the other container containing all of those tags. Now this is helpful, like I said, when you have a boilerplate of tags, maybe like a GA4 config tag, you have some of the e-commerce tracking tags that you just want to migrate over to a different container. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll get back to you, but that is it for this.